Hello. So today let's understand what is lower back pain, why it is caused, and how can we treat it permanently with very simple few exercises. So let's begin. The lower back pain, first of all, we should understand that it happens because the muscles of the lower back area become strained, and the muscles, when they become strained and they cannot take any further strain, then we tend to feel immense lower back pain. And that lower back pain becomes more acute when you get up in the morning after the night sleep, and it becomes acute if you walk for a long time. Sometimes it's even difficult to stand for a long time. Sometimes even if you bend little forward, it gives you immense unbearable pain. And so many people find it difficult even to sit in a vehicle with their lower back pain, as the pain is too much. So it's a widespread problem, so many people suffering from lower back pain. When the muscles of lower back become weak and become strained, then you experience the pain in the lower back area. Try to understand. This upper back area is supported by a big bony structure of the rib cages, and also this hip area is supported by big bony structure, and this lower back area is not supported by a big bony structure. Here you will just have one spinal cord running in the center, and so basically we should understand that by nature itself the lower back area is weak and is less supported by bony structure, and so the muscles of the lower back area tend to go into strain and spasm much faster than the other areas. So by nature itself, the lower back area is a weak area. The muscles of lower back have too much of strain and too little of support, and so by nature itself the lower back muscles tend to go easily into strain and give you immense pain. So the exercises of lower back involve the strengthening of the muscles of the lower back. This is the main point. I am repeating, the main thing to cure the lower back pain is to strengthen the muscles of the lower back region. And that's what we are going to do in this video, in these few exercises which are absolutely effective, and so effective that you will be amazed to see the results in very few days. So we begin with those exercises which will strengthen your lower back area, strengthen the muscles involved in the lower back area. First of all, lie down with the folded legs and fold both the legs, hold them from the shin bone area and press your thighs deep into your abdomen while you keep breathing. And so what happens, the lower back area, these lower back muscles are pressing against the floor. The whole treatment of lower back area is dependent on strengthening the lower back muscles by pressing them against the floor. Now in this exercise, you can absolutely feel that your lower back area is pressing against the floor, and the muscles get strength by pressing against the floor, and you instantly feel relief in your pain, and slowly with practice the pain will go away. This is the first exercise. You can stay this for a minute or 2 minutes. You can keep breathing, and this is very relaxing to your lower back area. You can even move little left and right, not too much, very little left and right. Then the second exercise for curing the lower back, this is very important, that the lower back area presses the floor. So now what we are going to do in this exercise is we are going to lift this pelvic area up, and we are going to consciously press this lower back against the floor. This is also called pelvic lift. This is also called back press, because you're pressing the lower back against the floor and the pelvic lift, as the pelvic area gets lifted up. So here, this area of lower back, which is above the belt, this is the place where you put the belt, and this is the lower back area above the belt, and this is pressing against the floor, and you hold it for 10 seconds and then slowly release. And this is the exercise you're going to do 10 times, holding 10 seconds each. So again we are doing this. You can see the lower back area pressing against the floor and the pelvic area lifting up, the lower back area pressing against the floor. Even the stomach becomes tight and tends to press in. But you should focus here on the lower back. Don't focus on the abdomen. Don't do the mistake of focusing on the abdomen. Just focus on your lower back area and feel that you're pressing the lower back area into floor. You are crushing your lower back muscles into the floor forcefully, and stay there for 10 seconds and then slowly release again. So this one you're going to do 10 times. Pressing the lower back into floor, holding for 10 seconds and then release. And this way you do it for 10 times, and this will strengthen the muscles of the lower back. And as the muscles of lower back become stronger and stronger and stronger, your lower back pain will start disappearing and you will be cured completely of your lower back problem. This is a short cure for your lower back pain. Now the third exercise is, in this position you lift up and you stay, and again the same thing is happening. Your lower back area is pressing against the floor, crushing against the floor, making the lower back muscles stronger. So you stay in this position for 10 seconds and then come back to the floor. Now this one also we do 10 times. So you go up, you raise your shoulder blades up above the floor, and you feel your lower back pressing against the floor and staying there for 10 seconds, and then you go back and you do this for 10 times. You do this for 10 times, and this will cure you of your lower back pain by making these lower back muscles strong. This is the strength training for the lower back muscles. When the lower back muscles press against the floor and then the lower back muscles get stronger. This is the training of the lower back area to get stronger. So this one, you must lift your shoulder blades up above the floor. But some people who have neck pain would not be able to do this exercise holding up, as the neck tends to hurt. So they can avoid this exercise, and otherwise everybody should do this exercise for those who have lower back pain. So these are the 3 exercises. Now the 4th exercise is you press your leg, lift it up, keep it folded a little bit on your knee, and the thigh area pressing into the abdomen. Hold from behind the thigh. This is the area behind your thigh. I'm holding here and pressing my thigh into the abdomen area while I keep breathing, and the same thing is happening. The lower back muscles are pressing the floor, and hold for 15 seconds. Bring it back, and then same thing. You repeat with the other leg also. My thighs pressing against the abdomen, and the lower back muscles are pressing against the floor. In all these exercises, the lower back muscles press against the floor, and this is how they become stronger. And when they are stronger, then those muscles will not hurt and they will not give you pain, and you will get cured of your lower back pain exercises. So these are the 4 exercises which you should be doing either once a day or even twice or thrice a day, and very soon, within few days, you will see immense change, and within a week you will get cured of your lower back pain. Sometime if the pain is very acute, it might take 2 weeks or 3 weeks, and then you will be completely forever get cured of your lower back pain. And sometime if the lower back pain happens and then you immediately do these 4 exercises, the set of these 4 exercises, and you will get cured of your lower back pain. So all these 4 exercises, please see the video, please practice them, and I'm guaranteeing you that you'll be cured of your lower back pain forever with these simple exercises.